Hey there, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite fruits. This is a peach, one of my favorite summer fruits, juicy. You can smell.
Ready to discover the power of kiwi, berries, and more? Join us as we delve into the fascinating research of Dr. William Li, renowned for unraveling the health benefits of everyday foods. But before we embark on this journey of discovery, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this enlightening content with your friends and family. Together, let's unlock the secrets to better health and vitality. Dr. William Li is like a health detective, but instead of solving mysteries, he's uncovering the secrets to preventing diseases like cancer using something we all have access to: food. This Harvard-trained medical doctor and researcher is on a mission to show us that what we eat isn't just about satisfying our hunger. It's about nourishing our bodies and protecting ourselves from harm. Imagine your body as a fortress, and the food you eat as the soldiers defending it against invaders like cancer. That's the analogy Dr. Li often uses to explain the power of food in preventing disease. But how exactly does food act as medicine, and why is it so important? Let's break it down in simple terms. Our bodies are made up of trillions of tiny cells, each with its job to keep us healthy and functioning properly. But sometimes, things can go awry, and cells can start to grow out of control, leading to diseases like cancer. That's where food comes in. You see, the foods we eat contain all sorts of nutrients, like vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds, that help our cells stay healthy and fight off disease. It's like giving our bodies the tools they need to build a strong defense against cancer and other illnesses. Dr. Li's research focuses on understanding how different foods and nutrients affect our bodies at the cellular level. He's discovered that certain foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and even some spices, contain powerful compounds that can help prevent cancer by blocking the growth of cancer cells, stopping them from spreading, and even triggering their death. It's like having an army of tiny superheroes patrolling our bodies, ready to take down any rogue cells that threaten our health. But it's not just about what foods we eat, it's also about how we eat them. Dr. Li emphasizes the importance of eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's like giving our bodies a symphony of nutrients, each playing its unique role in keeping us healthy and strong. One of the key principles Dr. Li promotes is the concept of angiogenesis, which is the process by which new blood vessels are formed. In diseases like cancer, angiogenesis can fuel the growth and spread of tumors. But certain foods, like green tea, tomatoes, and berries, contain compounds that can inhibit angiogenesis, essentially cutting off the blood supply to tumors and preventing them from growing. It's like starving cancer cells of the nutrients they need to thrive. Another important aspect of Dr. Li's work is understanding how our diet can influence our microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that live in our gut and play a crucial role in our health. Certain foods, like fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, can feed the good bacteria in our gut, helping to keep our microbiome balanced and our immune system strong. It's like cultivating a garden in our gut, where the good bacteria can flourish and keep us healthy from the inside out. But perhaps the most exciting part of Dr. Li's research is the idea that food can not only prevent disease but also help treat it. He's found that certain foods and nutrients can enhance the effectiveness of cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation therapy, making them more potent against cancer cells while also protecting healthy cells from damage. It's like giving our bodies an extra boost to help them fight off cancer and recover more quickly. Dr. William Li's work reminds us that food is so much more than just fuel for our bodies. It's medicine. By understanding how different foods and nutrients affect our cells and our overall health, we can make informed choices that help prevent diseases like cancer and promote longevity and vitality. So the next time you sit down to eat, remember that you're not just feeding yourself, you're nourishing your body and protecting it against harm. Let's dive into the world of cancer prevention with Dr. William Li, a doctor and researcher who's on a mission to show us how our diet can play a significant role in reducing our risk of developing cancer. Dr. Li's insights shed light on a crucial connection between what we eat and our chances of developing this devastating disease. Picture this. Your body is like a garden, and cancer is like a weed that can grow if not properly managed. Dr. Lee explains that our diet acts as both the fertilizer that can help these weeds grow and the herbicide that can keep them at bay. But how exactly does our diet influence our risk of developing cancer? And what can we do to protect ourselves? First, let's talk about the numbers. Dr. Lee highlights that an astonishing 30 to 35% of cancers are caused by factors related to our environment, including our diet. This means that what we eat plays a significant role in determining our risk of developing cancer. But how does this work? Dr. Lee points to studies that have shown the presence of microscopic cancers in the bodies of individuals who have not yet developed clinically detectable cancer. It's like having tiny seeds of cancer lurking in our bodies, just waiting for the right conditions to grow. And what are these conditions? Well, our diet can play a key role. You see, certain foods and dietary habits can create an environment in our bodies that's conducive to the growth and spread of cancer cells. For example, diets high in processed foods, red meat, sugar, and unhealthy fats can fuel inflammation and oxidative stress in our bodies, both of which are known to promote cancer growth. It's like pouring gasoline on a fire. It only makes things worse. But it's not just about what we eat. It's also about what we don't eat. Dr. Lee emphasizes the importance of consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other plant-based foods, which are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that can help protect our cells from damage and prevent cancer from taking hold. It's like giving our bodies the tools they need to fight off those cancerous weeds before they have a chance to grow. Dr. Lee's research also highlights the importance of considering the environmental impact of our food choices. He points out that certain agricultural practices, like the use of pesticides and fertilizers, can introduce harmful chemicals into our food supply, increasing our risk of developing cancer. By choosing organic and sustainably produced foods whenever possible, we can reduce our exposure to these potentially carcinogenic substances and lower our risk of developing cancer. But perhaps the most powerful message Dr. Lee shares is one of hope. He explains that by making simple yet impactful changes to our diet and lifestyle, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing cancer and other chronic diseases. It's like taking control of our health destiny and empowering ourselves to live longer, healthier lives. Dr. William Lee's insights remind us of the profound impact our diet can have on our risk of developing cancer. By choosing a diet rich in plant-based foods and avoiding processed and unhealthy foods, we can create an environment in our bodies that's hostile to cancer growth. And by considering the environmental impact of our food choices, we can further reduce our risk of exposure to harmful substances that can increase our risk of developing cancer. It's a powerful message of empowerment and hope, one that reminds us that we have the power to shape our health destiny through the choices we make every day. Let's take a closer look at the humble tomato and its remarkable potential to reduce the risk of prostate cancer, as highlighted by Dr. William Lee, a renowned doctor and researcher. Dr. Lee's insights shed light on how this common kitchen staple can serve as a powerful ally in the fight against cancer, particularly when it's cooked. Imagine a juicy red tomato sitting on your kitchen counter, bursting with flavor and nutrients. But did you know that tomatoes, especially when cooked, contain a special compound called lycopene? This compound is like a secret weapon against prostate cancer, and here's why. First off, what is prostate cancer? It's a type of cancer that affects the prostate gland, which is a small gland located below the bladder in men. Prostate cancer is one of the most common types of cancer in men, but the good news is that it's often slow-growing and can be treated successfully if caught early. Now let's talk about lycopene. This powerful antioxidant is what gives tomatoes their vibrant red color, and it's also what makes them so good for our health. Lycopene is like a superhero for our cells, helping to protect them from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. But its benefits don't stop there. Dr. Lee's research has shown that lycopene may also play a role in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. How does it do this? Well, it turns out that lycopene can activate a special type of fat called brown fat, which is known for its fat-burning properties. This fat-burning action may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, both of which are linked to an increased risk of cancer. But here's the catch. While all tomatoes contain lycopene, It's more readily absorbed by our bodies when the tomatoes are cooked. That's right, cooking tomatoes can make them even more beneficial for our health. So, whether it's in a rich pasta sauce, a hearty soup, or a flavorful stew, adding cooked tomatoes to your meals can help maximize their cancer-fighting potential. Now, you might be wondering why prostate cancer specifically. Well, it turns out that the prostate gland has a high concentration of lycopene, so consuming foods rich in this compound may have a particularly protective effect on this part of the body. Plus, prostate cancer is one of the most common types of cancer in men, making it a significant public health concern. But it's not just about tomatoes. Other foods rich in lycopene, like watermelon, pink grapefruit, and guava, can also help reduce the risk of prostate cancer. And while more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind lycopene's cancer-fighting properties, there's no denying the potential of this powerful antioxidant in promoting good health. Dr. William Li's insights highlight the potential of cooked tomatoes and their lycopene content in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. By incorporating more cooked tomatoes and lycopene-rich foods into our diets, we can harness the cancer-fighting power of this antioxidant and take proactive steps toward protecting our health. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, consider adding a generous serving of cooked tomatoes to your meal. It might just be the secret ingredient your body needs to stay healthy and strong. Let's explore the wonderful world of pears and their incredible health benefits, as highlighted by Dr. William Li, a respected doctor and researcher. Dr. Li's insights reveal why pears are much more than just a tasty fruit. They're also a powerhouse of nutrients that can help keep our bodies healthy and strong. First, let's talk about chlorogenic acid. This is a special compound found in pears that has been shown to have some pretty impressive health benefits. Think of it like a magic potion for your metabolism. It helps kickstart your body's fat-burning engines and keeps them running smoothly. But what exactly does this mean for our health? Well, when our metabolism is working efficiently, it helps us maintain a healthy weight and gives us the energy we need to stay active and alert throughout the day. Plus, by activating our metabolism, chlorogenic acid may also help reduce the risk of certain health problems, like obesity and type 2 diabetes. Now, let's talk about dietary fiber. This is another superstar nutrient found in pears, and it's like a broom for your digestive system. It helps sweep away waste and keeps things moving smoothly. But its benefits don't stop there. Dietary fiber is also known to help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including colorectal cancer. How does it do this? Well, it turns out that fiber can help regulate the levels of certain hormones and other substances in the body that are linked to cancer growth. Plus, it helps keep our digestive system healthy, which is important for preventing all sorts of health problems. So, when you combine chlorogenic acid and dietary fiber, you get a powerful duo that can help keep your body in tip-top shape. Not only do pears help boost your metabolism and burn fat more efficiently, but they also help reduce the risk of cancer and keep your digestive system healthy. But wait, there's more. Pears are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that provide even more health benefits. They're like a multivitamin in fruit form, giving your body the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and strong. One of the great things about pears is that they're incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many different ways. You can eat them fresh as a snack, slice them up and add them to salads, or even bake them into delicious desserts. However you choose to enjoy them, pears are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Pears are much more than just a tasty fruit. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can help keep your body healthy and strong. Thanks to their chlorogenic acid content, they help activate metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. Plus, their high dietary fiber content helps reduce the risk of cancer and keeps your digestive system healthy. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack or side dish, reach for a pear. You'll be doing your body a favor. Let's talk about two amazing fruits, kiwi and berries, and how they can benefit our health, as highlighted by Dr. William Li, a respected doctor and researcher. First up, kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit is packed with goodness. Studies show that eating kiwi can help repair damage to our DNA, which is like fixing tiny cracks in the blueprint of our bodies. Plus, kiwi is great for our gut health. It helps increase the number of beneficial bacteria in our intestines, which are like the good guys fighting off the bad guys to keep our digestive system running smoothly. Now, let's talk about berries, with a special shout out to strawberries. These sweet and juicy fruits are not only delicious, but also have some impressive health benefits. Berries, especially strawberries, are known for their metabolism-boosting effects. This means they help our bodies burn calories more efficiently, which can help maintain a healthy weight. Plus, unlike sugary treats that can cause our blood sugar levels to spike, berries keep our blood sugar levels stable, which is important for overall health. So, whether you're enjoying a kiwi for its DNA repair and gut health benefits, or munching on some berries, especially strawberries, for their metabolism-boosting effects without spiking blood sugar levels, you're giving your body a delicious and nutritious treat that can help keep you healthy and strong. In conclusion, the insights provided by Dr. William Li underscore the remarkable health benefits of incorporating fruits like kiwi and berries, especially strawberries, into our diets. From DNA repair and gut health improvement to metabolism-boosting effects and blood sugar level regulation, these fruits offer a myriad of advantages for our well-being. To stay updated on valuable health information and tips like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you found this content insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Together, let's spread the word about the power of nutritious foods in promoting health and vitality.